Powerful shots, and Ginawa hasn't landed anything to put his opponent off. But that was a nice right hand as I said that. But it needs to be more, and a nice lead left hook.
Matapos mabigo sa kanyang pinakaunang dayo sa bansang Thailand via unanimous decision taong 2018 kontra defending champion na si Tanawat Nakun, na kung saan natalo ang ating bida na tubong Cagayan de Oro City na si Marco Jan Rementizo alias Pacific Cyclone o alias Bagyo, ay tila di mapalagay si Kabayan. Gustong bumalik at lapain ang mga kalaban lalo na sa bansang Thailand. Kaya naman 2 buwan lang ang lumipas ay muling napalaban si Rementizo sa bansang Thailand, at dito binuhos ang lahat ng galit. 3 beses tinumba ang Thai boxer na si Siridich Dibok at tinapos ang laban sa ika-7 rounds via knockout. At makalipas ang 5 taon ay muling naimbitahan ang alias Bagyo na tubong Cagayan de Oro na si Rementizo na lumaban pa din sa bansang Thailand. Nakalaban niya si Danay Pacquiao para sa WBC Asian Light Flyweight title. Isang impresibong laban ang pinakita ni Rementizo. Upset win ang ginawa sa Thailand. Tinumba ang kalaban at tinapos ang laban sa ika-6 na rounds via knockout. Dito nakuha ni Rementizo ang titulo. Pero tila di papayag ang mga Thai boxer na di makaganti sa Pinoy. 2 buwan lang ang lumipas ay agad pinabalik si Rementizo alias Bagyo sa Thailand para muling lumaban. August 31, 2023 ay lumaban si Kabayan para sa 6 rounds non-title fight kontra Thai boxer at knockout artist na si Ginawat Rinpit. Sa weigh-in pa lang ay makikitang mas matangkad itong Thai boxer, kaya naman tila naniniwala ang mga kalaban na itong si Rinpit na ang susi ng kanilang panalo. Gagamitin ang reach advantage dahil sa tangkad nito at matalo itong ating pambato. Pero sa mismong gabi ng laban, tila bangungot ang sinapit ng mga taga-Thailand. Maagang niligpit ni Kabayan itong mas matangkad na kalaban. Ating balikan ang malahalimaw na performance ng Pinoy na si Marco Jan Rementizo alias Pacific Cyclone ng Cagayan de Oro.
Marco John Rementizo representing the Philippines taking on Ginoat Sitchan.
Naghahanap ka ba ng legit na talpakan? Dito ka na sa number 1 talpakan sa buong mundo, ang 1xBet. Pwede kang tumalpak sa boxing, basketball, NBA, PBA at marami pa. Sobrang dali gamitin. Mag-download lang kayo ng 1xBet na apps para sa mas malaking kitaan. Mag-register at gamitin ang promo code natin na CNM para makakuha kayo ng instant bonus up to 6,000 pesos. At pwede gumamit ng GCash para mag-deposit at mag-withdraw. Nasa pinned comments sa ibaba ang link mga pre. At paalala, para lang ito sa 21 years old and above. So ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Register na!
The fight is just in the center of the ring, trying to find their range early, but Marco John doing a very good job of flicking that jab up there, trying to find his range. A classic southpaw against an orthodox. So watch for both fighters trying to fight for the lead leg. Wants to get their lead leg on the outside of one another, they throw that big backhand that they have. Nice jab to the body landed by Marco John. Do you know what? Just looks like more than you. You can just step away from them and constantly stay out of the range. You need to control the range. If the smaller fighter is controlling the range, then you're not going to have a good time in there. But Marco John just doing a very good job of staying busy and staying in the correct range. He only enters the pocket when he wants to fire. A nice left hand landed by Marco John, and Ginoa eats that shot very well, but misses with the counter punch with the uppercut. And Ginoa needs to get busy with that jab. There's no reason to let the smaller fighter dictate the range. Ginoa needs to stay behind a jab and use the outside of the ring to his advantage. Marco John looks like he found his range very back of his opponent. The fight is now in the center of the ring. Of course, we have Thailand taking on the Philippines, but it looks like Marco John is the more dominant of these fighters. Marco John, of course, representing the Philippines. Jab and a miss by Jinoat. And a nice found his target with that jab the entire time. It's almost like a home-seeking missile for him. He knows where it is every time. And once you can find the range of a jab, you can set up a powerful shot with your backhand as well, hooks, uppercuts. The jab sets up everything. Ten seconds to go of round number one. We have Marco John Remtizo from the Philippines taking on Jinoat Sitchan Singh from Thailand. And again, Marco John backing his opponent up and just firing punch after punch. But that was a nice right hand, as I said that. But it needs to be more. And a nice lead left hook sends his opponent into the canvas face first. And I cannot imagine Jinoat getting up from this. And he falls.
2 rounds lang ay tinapos na agad ng Pinoy ang laban. Sa sobrang lakas ng suntok na pinakain ni Rementizo sa kalaban ay muntik pa itong matuluyan.
Your winner by TKO, Marco John Rementizo!
เนี่ยนะครับจะอยู่ที่เดิมหรือว่าจะไปฟิลิปปินส์ครับ
ประมาทไม่ได้นะครับด้านในการตกนี่โดนแน่นอน
แต่ว่าจะเป็นอย่างไรครับไฟนี้นี่เหมือนว่าแต่ละไฟครับปีนี้
โอ้ยยังไง
นี่ครับหนักๆแรงๆนายเองก็ไม่กลัวครับดูครับซ้ายนี่รอจังหวะแล้วทิ่มไปเลยครับตรงๆแล้ว
มาโกจร
โอ้โห
โอ้ย
ซ้าย
ดูด้านในเจอสกัดโอ้ยจำตัว เอา
เนี่ยครับเพราะว่าเขาใช้ความเร็วแล้วก็ลูกหนัก
ซ้ายจากขวาโอ้ย
ด้านในครับค่อนข้างที่จะกังวลครับ
โอ้ย
ไงซ้ายหล่นเลย
ไง
โอ้กำลังจะบอกว่าขวาไม่ง่ายครับวิ่งอีกแล้วครับต่อยลำตัวอัดเข้าไปด้านใน
โอ้โหไกลมาก
ต้องมีลูกตอบโต้
โอ้ย
จังหวะนี้เสียหลักครับครับอ่ะ
เอาละครับมา
ขึ้นมาแล้วครับ
เอาดูกันอยู่ที่ว้าวนะครับกลับมามั่นใจเอาละครับ
คุยครับประสบการณ์กับ
เอ้า
มวยดีเยอะแยะมากมายแหมจังหวะนี้
ลื่นมีโดน
โอ้ยตายโอ้โหทนได้แล้วครับแบบนี้ครับหมัดเสียวจริงๆครับคุณสายชัย
เราทนได้เขาก็จะท้องเลย
แต่ว่าสมัยเด็กๆสมัยประถมก็เรียกว่าคันโอ้ยมันสูงอีกหนึ่งไฟของเด็ก
ตัวทนขนาดไหนโอ้ยลงลำตัวครับ
จุด150และคือหยุดเอ็นเชียวได้ครับขอบคุณบริษัทนครพัฒนาจำกัดทิฟฟี่ซาร่าแอตตาซิกเร็วมากครับ
แต่สังเกตตัวแล้ว
แล้วครับถือว่าแก้เกม
โอ้ยอะไรใช่โอ้ย
เริ่มกดดันมากแล้วครับดูตัวดูครับดูเขาเปลี่ยนดูวิดวาดหายหมดแล้วครับเอ้าไหนไหนครับเปลี่ยนเข้าไป
โอ้ย
ปักคอโอ้โหเวทีหน่อยเดียวแล้วโดนลำตัวครับเอาดูมาโคจรพยายามจะเล่นลำตัวยังไงครับไหวไม่ไหววิกฤตอีกแล้ว
เอาอีกแล้วมาโคจรได้ใจอีกแล้วโคจร
เจ็ดมา
โคจรทำได้อีกแล้ว
John Rementizo!
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Luber, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy 0.2. Like and share, subscribe.